this pretty good report, Jim. If Hillary had been elected, would we have the same report? I don't know how to ask a question. Would we have the same report? I just want to know.
I'm talking about the jobs report. Apparently it was really good. The stocks are totally up today. What up, guys? Welcome back. We are on day 12 right now, coming back from a big loss yesterday, but the jobs report yesterday was really good, and that means stocks are really good today, so check it out. So I'm actually editing some videos right now. I still have to edit 2 videos, but I got my live stream going, so I got my cell phone here streaming CNBC while I edit videos. I think I'm liking this little work setup here. Usually I'm just sitting on the couch doing nothing, watching the stocks, but at least here I could do both. Okay, but as soon as it comes back from the commercial break, I want to show you the numbers. Alright, these are treasury bonds and notes. Those interest rates are too low for me, so I would probably never invest in those, but apparently those are safer? I don't know. 227,000 jobs added. Oh, look at that. At one point it was triple digits on the Dow, but that is really good. Green is good. This should be a good day. Alright, so got to do a lot of editing today, a lot of videos to edit. Got a lot of work to do in my business. I'm tutoring someone at 2 o'clock today, and then I'm going to Homewood to play volleyball at 8 o'clock. So I got to get a lot of work done today. So trying to get up early, get as much as I can done. So I thought this was funny. Travis Collette, I forget how to pronounce his last name, but the CEO of Uber, he quit the advisory council for Trump because he was losing too much money. People were associating him with Trump, and he was like, fuck that. Peace out. See? Money first. You gotta protect your money first. Country second.
Just part of the disaster that is apparel. I mean, you would think that with
talking about Under Armour.
The country, you know what? We have enough clothes. We don't need any more clothes, right? They looked at their closet. They said, "We're not buying any more clothes. We're not buying any North Face. We're not buying any Hanes brand. We're not buying any Hanes brand. They're not even. Maybe they're going commando." Oh Lord. That's a commando.
Oh, Jim Cramer. That guy cracks me up.
Maybe that's a thing now. Commando? I don't know.
So I just logged in to see how we were doing this morning. We're up like 664. Look at this garbage. Of course Nintendo is doing the best after I just sold 50 shares yesterday and sold 100 shares like a couple weeks ago. Oh man, figures that would happen. It's up 5.5%. That's Bobo. Actually, I'm still happy about that, but still, it figures. Like literally every time I sell something, it goes up. So maybe next time I should just buy too many shares and then sell some, and then it'll go up. That's my new strategy. You heard it here first, guys. But let's see what's going on. This is what I do usually watch. So I'll go to my stocks app. Hold on, let me focus here. Sorry. So I tap Nintendo, and then I read articles. Nintendo's newest smartphone game is out now, and the way it makes money is troubling. Ooh, Fire Emblem Heroes comes out today. That's one of their new games that they were going to release. See, it cuts full your guy. Sometimes I don't understand, but Nintendo on fire after releasing Gacha mobile game. So it looks like that is why their stock is up today. Kind of wish I knew that yesterday, but oh well. Still got some shares, so I can still do some damage with that. But that'll also happen a lot, everybody. You will sell stock, and then the next day it'll go up, and it'll be really frustrating. but that happens, so you just have to deal with it. You have to get used to it, because nothing you can do. Alright, so I just opened up the App Store, and I found the game right here. And, check out these reviews. Hold on, let me see if I can prop this phone up here. Check out these reviews already. The game just came out. It's 4.5 stars. That is really good. That is way better than Super Mario Run did. Super Mario Run got like at best 3 stars. So that is good news. Well, I'm glad I didn't sell all my shares. Shit. Alright, so the video's exporting. That'll take about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm going to take a trip to Jewel, get some black bean patties because I'm hungry, and try not to spend money on eating out. That's my goal for February. Eat out as little as possible. So we're going to get some of that, and then we're going to come back, and we're going to have lunch, start editing more videos, and then we'll see when the market closes. We'll see how we did. And while I'm doing that, Snickers is just going to be napping like she always does. Just chilling. Isn't that right, Snickers? Oh, look at you. Oh, look at you. Alright, so just to show you what I usually get here. These guys. Spicy black bean, baby. Monster cheese. These are on sale. That's cool. Alright, so we've got stuff we need. Gonna go home and make some lunch. Alright, so we just got back from Jewel. I want to talk about the money I'm saving by eating at home. So I got 2 black bean patties today. Black bean burgers with a little bit of ketchup. And each slice of cheese ended up costing 35 cents per slice. And then the bread was 41.8 cents per pair, and then $1.14 per patty. So for 2 burgers, and this is after tax too, so 2 burgers is only costing me $3.82. And yesterday I ended up getting a Big Mac from McDonald's, just one, and it was $4.82. And as you know, McDonald's is usually cheaper than if you were to go to Jimmy John's or Potbelly or like a restaurant. If you went out for lunch, you'd be spending even more. So yeah, so saved a whole $1 with these 2 patties, with these 2 burgers versus a Big Mac. And sometimes I eat this without bread, so you're looking at $3.12 for 2 of those burgers without the bread. So if you really wanted to save money, yeah, but definitely saving money by eating in. So I'll probably be eating these for the next 2 or 3 to 4 days. Just to save money. Alright, so the market's closed now, so this ends the week, so we're not going to see any more stuff as far as stocks go until Monday. So let's see how we finished up. Alright, so we finished up we made 527 bucks today, so pretty good day. I will definitely take that. We are back in the black for the year, which is good. We started right around 43 even, so we're up for the year. The big winners today were Nintendo, which is funny because I sold 50 shares yesterday. Of course, it went up. That's usually what happens. And Twilio did really well today. So my best 2 stocks today were Twilio and Nintendo. If you don't know who Twilio is, if you've ever heard of the app Uber or WhatsApp, or there's a lot of apps like General Electric uses them, Lyft uses it. Twilio is the company responsible for apps like Uber and WhatsApp for you to be able to communicate through messaging with the app. So if you're making a new app and you want people to be able to communicate through it, whether it's video calling or instant messaging, Twilio is the company that you would be looking at to buy their services from. So they're a pretty big company already, even though they're kind of like a startup. They just had their IPO last year. So they just started selling stock last year. They had a huge run all the way up to $60 and then kind of came way back. So they were in the mid 20s, and so I think I bought shares again at that price. I forget exactly, but so I still own Twilio stock, and they had a really good day today. One thing I do want to show you again with the options, for those of you that are considering it in the future, take a look at the AMD. So I own 340 shares of that, and let's go at the percentages. So the stock that I own went down 0.33% today, but the options that I own, which is right here, went down 4.41%. So you can see how the swings are a little bit bigger for options. This is a call for April 21st, so I still have a lot of time before it expires. Had this expiration date been sooner, this probably would have gone down a lot more. So because it's so far out, the swings aren't as huge yet, but it is a big difference between 4.41% and 0.33%. So that's why options are more risky. You can make more and you can lose more. But so if you're just starting out, if you're a beginner investor, you probably won't even be able to trade options anyways in the beginning unless you have like a ton of money to put in. So you will most likely just be buying regular stocks. So you can see AMD is actually quite an affordable stock if you're a beginner. It's only $12.24 a share. So you probably could get a lot of shares for that. Also, if you're a beginner, oh, by the way, this is not, again, let me disclaimer here. This is not stock advice. I'm not telling you to invest in this. So, I'm not liable if you buy stock based on what I say, because I'm not a licensed broker or financial advisor. So I'm just saying, if I was a beginner, this could be a good stock I would look at buying because it's cheap. And also AT&T has been known to be a really safe stock, and they also pay dividends. And look at their dividend yield, 4.75%. So that is a really good yield for dividends. So this is one of the safest stocks I own, and I'm holding on to them just for that reason, because I need some sort of stability. I want some safe stocks. Apple also pays dividends now. It's not as high as AT&T, but they pay dividends. So yeah, that's all I kind of wanted to show you about that. I've talked about some of this stuff already in the beginning. Okay, before we go, I just wanted to show you one more time the JP Morgan's options that I bought this morning. So I bought the option at $2.27 a share, and it already went up to $2.83 a share. So that is already a pretty good return just for not even owning it for a day. So hopefully, if JP Morgan continues to go up in stock price, because the actual stock itself, let's see if it's here. Yeah, the actual stock went up 3% today. It had a good day today, the stock. It's $87.18, so it's a little more pricey. They do pay dividends, 2.2% dividends, but it's more affordable, obviously, to buy the options, which is why I bought that. But the option today went up 52%. So if you had owned the option prior to the opening bell today, you would have made 52% on your money, even though the stock only went up 3%. So that's a really big jump for that. So yeah, so that's about it. That's all I wanted to show you. What's up, Snickers? Alright, that'll wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are learning a lot with this series. And if you do like some of these videos, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you also haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. That'll be super cool. And if you have any friends who have been talking about learning how to invest, or if you wanted to talk with them about it, maybe you can share this channel with them. That'd be awesome as well. And as always, thank you guys again for watching. It's been super cool doing these videos. I'm having a lot of fun so far. And if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section below. Gladly will answer any questions that I can. And hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Sunday.